I told you that one simple character could become the face of your YouTube channel? The problem is that most beginners create a new character every single time they make an image. One day the character looks one way, the next day it looks completely different, and before long, there's no consistency in their brand. Hey everyone, I'm Ashley and welcome back to the channel. Here at Creatively Marked, I share simple beginner-friendly tips and tools to help you start and grow your YouTube channel without feeling overwhelmed. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to create a simple, consistent character that you can use across your YouTube thumbnails, banners, social media posts, and more. One of the biggest mistakes new creators make is creating a different character every time they generate an image. You might create a cute dog today, then create another cute dog tomorrow, and then suddenly they don't look anything alike. Consistency is what makes a character recognizable. Think about some of the most recognizable characters in the world. The reason we instantly know who they are is because they look the same every time we see them. The good news is, you don't need fancy equipment, expensive software, or graphic design degree to create recognizable characters for your channel. So let me show you a simple, beginner-friendly method that anyone can use. Okay friends, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to our friend ChatGPT. And we are going to give, so this is going to be our inspiration, right? We want him to look like this cute little frog. So we're going to tell Chat, instead of just saying, create us a frog, we want to give a little bit more of a descriptive prompt. So we're going to say, so we can also just do, instead of typing, I like to just talk to it. Say, I would like to create a consistent character that is a cute frog who has blush cheeks, a cute smile, a friendly demeanor, kid-like, cartoon-like character. This is going to be for a YouTube channel, and then we're going to give that prompt to Chat, and let's see what Chat creates for us. Okay, so here's a character. For me, let's just say we want to have a channel that is a kids channel, kids sing-along channel. I think this would be a perfect character. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, give me the prompts for this character to use in my AI tool to create a consistent character. Okay, so now Chat is going to give me a prompt for that design. All right, so we could also name the character. So we're going to just name him Frog. Right, we're going to copy this prompt that Chat just gave us, and we're going to go to our new tool. We're going to go to our tools called OpenArt AI. Okay. Once we're in OpenArt AI, I already have a subscription. So what you want to do is get a subscription if you don't have it. It's not very expensive. It's very reasonable, especially if you're going to use this to create your character and build your YouTube page. So what I do, go here, you're going to see on the left-hand side or up on top, you'll see character. Okay. And we want to create a character. And since it's going to give us three options: start from an image, describe your character, or build your character. You could do it from in here. I like to use Chat, but if you want to do it from here, you could potentially build your character. But I am going to describe my character, and then I'm going to hit paste. And we are going to generate that image. Okay, cute. So here is our frog image. I love it. Now this is just different styles. This is more of like a claymation, I guess, kind of. So I mean, you could definitely change the styles. Let's just say we want to use, I like this guy, so we're going to use this one. We're going to name him Froggy. You can add a voice, and then you could tell like a backstory about your character, but we're just going to keep it very simple for this video. And then now we're going to show how to put this character into scenes, so that way you can create your kid videos. Okay, so here's our character. Now what we want to do is, let's say we want to we're creating a kids video, a kids channel on how to say the ABCs. And we want this frog to be part of that image. So what I'll do is I'll go back to Chat and I'll tell it, I want to create a kids video. Always say for YouTube. And it says teaching kids their ABCs. My character is the frog and should be in the image. I would like it to be a fun classroom feel, but very kid daycare feel. I said feel. Okay. All right, let's see. Now I would say I would like a prompt. We want to tell it, give me the prompts. All right, so I just told Chat, give me the prompt. I want to create a kids video for YouTube teaching kids their ABCs. My character is a frog and should be in the image. I would like it to be a fun classroom feel, but very kid daycare feel. And I also want to say, make sure to include cute alphabet signs in images. Okay, and bright colors. All right, so now we're gonna get the prompt. Here it is. So the prompt is a bright, cheerful preschool classroom designed for teaching young kids the alphabet. The classroom feels warm, welcoming, and fun with colorful walls, rainbow accents, playful decorations, yada, yada, yada. So this sounds good to me. All right, so we're going to copy this, and we're gonna go back to our AI tool. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to character, and it should be saved in your characters. So you're gonna hit Froggy, because that's gonna be your character. And here you're gonna see add Froggy. You always wanna leave that there. Don't delete that. And you're gonna paste that prompt that you got from chat, okay? Now here is where things get a little bit more detailed, but on your output, you want to select this, and you wanna select this option to 69 because that is your YouTube format. Okay, so now you can see here it says 16.9. All right, and then we're gonna change it. For me, I personally like to use on the models, I like to use Nano Banana Pro, but you can play around with all those different models and see which one you like for your character. So we're just gonna go with Nano Banana Pro. We got our frog, we got our description, and we are going to hit generate. This is 80 credits. And here is our little inspiration, if you guys remember. So as you can see, here is our character. Now, you can play around with this. The different models will give you different style images. For me, this is more of like a flat, not very like Pixar, like come to life kind of image. So you can change those things with your prompts. But this is just to show you that here's our character, looks pretty consistent. Let's change it. So what I did was I did change the model here to Nano Banana 2 just to see what it looks like. And kind of changed it a little bit. And there you go. We added a little bow tie. So you can add different things. So here's our character. There's what it looks like. So now let's get another prompt. Give me another prompt. This time the frog is sitting behind the desk. Give me the prompts. If we want it to look more like a video that you would see on TV, we're going to give it this prompt. Okay, Pixar style. To copy this, we're going to go back to OpenAI, and we are going to go back to character. We're going to click on Froggy. We're going to use Froggy. We're going to paste our prompt. See, I didn't change the output here. Please change the output. So we're gonna go 16.9. We have to change the output. And then we also have to give it, you can leave it on auto model if you like to and just see what it gives you. So that's what we did for this one. We left it on auto. I'm gonna regenerate it because I generated it in the wrong format. This is a work in progress. You can play around with this as much as you need to with all the different AI models on which style you like. So this one's really neat. If you look at this one, super cute. This one looks more realistic if you like that model. So go ahead and just keep playing with it, guys. Like don't let it scare you away thinking, hey, I cannot do this. I can't have, everybody can have a character. How cute is this? In the next video, we are going to animate this and make this a kids video, and that way I'll show you how you can potentially make kid videos for your YouTube channel. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped. It's super easy. Anybody can do it. You can do this. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel but you just don't know where to start, you can do this. Talk to you later, guys. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.